Well, hey guys, in today's review, I'm going to talk about this Skil saw. This thing right here is great. I love this. Skil is an incredible brand and does a great job. And someone sent this to me to try out. And so, like I said, I like it a lot. I like some things about it. Number one, it's super heavy duty and strong. And so in a project this week, I was cutting through a door and this thing just cut right through it. Didn't even hesitate. Super strong, super durable. And so it's going to do a good job with that. So another thing I like about this right here, it has the little selector. So right down here, you can adjust on what you're doing. So whether you're cutting straight, thicker boards or some thin stuff, or if you're going to be moving around, you want to put it on the 0 section as well. And so then you're going to have this, slide this over, and it's going to be ready, more maneuverable. Another cool thing is you can undo this little locking mechanism, and it allows you to adjust the bevel right here. So if you're going to be bending, or if you're going to be going around corners, you can use this and you can help adjust that, which I think is super neat, super helpful. And again, just locks right back in there, so then it's locked in and you're ready to roll. I also like right here up top, and when you press it down, you can just press this over and it's going to sit there and it's going to hold it on for you. So again, works a lot easier when it's on, but it's going to hold it on, which is nice. And then all you have to do is just press this or this button right here, and it's going to slide it over. So you're also going to slide it over, so it's going to be ready to stop. And then also it has this little button right here. So if you want it to blow out, like if you're cutting, cutting down the line right there, if you want it to blow out, you can press this, it's going to blow. Or if you just want to have it just regular, where it's just going to kind of come down, it might get in your area. That has the option right here there as well. So it has a bunch of options on this little top right here as well. So super cool with all of that. I like, again, to change out the blade, all you have to do is pull this little notch right there and the blade will pop right out. But overall, this thing has been great. I like it a lot. I've used it a few times, and again, really durable. Skil is an awesome brand. Can't get much better than them. And so I think this is a great option. If you're looking for a jigsaw that's going to last a long time, it's going to do a great job, highly recommend it. So guys, here's the listing on Amazon. You can see, again, it's 49 bucks right now. But pretty good deal for this. It is the corded one, like I mentioned, but Skil's a great brand. You can see all the items that I mentioned here. Speed control, if you want to do that. It also has a light. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it has the little halo light, which is nice when you're working. Then I mentioned, like, it does kind of pivot right there and swivel, and then the whole Skil right there. So again, overall, Skil's a great brand. It's going to do a good job for you. Again, you can keep an eye on the price. 50 bucks, pretty good price for that item. But overall, hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. I'll also leave a link down below, but I'll see you in the next video.